Click on the link below to get price. The SERWALL Outdoor Adirondack Rocking Chairs set of 4 presents a blend of classic design and modern materials, making them a potential addition to your outdoor relaxation space. These chairs, crafted from all-weather high-density polyethylene (HDPE), aim to provide both comfort and durability, suitable for various climates. One of the standout features of these rocking chairs is their construction. Made from HDPE, these chairs are designed to resist fading, cracking, and peeling, which can be a concern with traditional wooden chairs. This material mimics the appearance of real wood while offering a more robust solution to outdoor wear and tear. This means that they can be left outside throughout the seasons without significant concern for damage, which is an appealing aspect for many homeowners. In terms of design, the Adirondack style is well known for its wide armrests and slanted back, which promote a laid-back seating experience. The rocking feature adds a gentle, soothing motion, making them suitable for leisurely afternoons on the porch or around a fire pit. The set includes 4 chairs, allowing for ample seating space for family gatherings or friendly get-togethers, thus enhancing the outdoor social experience. When it comes to assembly, many users appreciate the straightforward instructions that accompany the chairs. Assembly typically requires minimal tools and can be completed in a reasonable amount of time. Once assembled, the chairs are stable and sturdy, providing a reliable seating option that supports a range of body types. In terms of maintenance, the HDPE material is relatively easy to clean. A simple wash with soap and water is often sufficient to keep them looking fresh. This can be a significant advantage for outdoor furniture, as it reduces the time spent on upkeep and allows users to focus more on enjoying their outdoor spaces. In conclusion, the SERWALL Outdoor Adirondack Rocking Chairs set of 4 offers a practical and stylish seating solution for those looking to enhance their outdoor experience. With their all-weather construction, classic design, and ease of maintenance, they may very well serve as a comfortable retreat for relaxation and socializing in a variety of outdoor settings. As with any outdoor furniture, personal preferences regarding aesthetics and comfort should guide the final decision, but these chairs present a solid option to consider.